Highly likely.
Sorry, yeah.
Abbas. Abbas.
What?
I know why you're not active on the server now. Fuck me.
What?
I have college in 3 days and I have like fucking trigonometry 1, 2 and 3.
क्या है?
1, 2, and 3. What do you mean?
So this is what I
Thought-
meant by mental
I-
breakdown.
there.
Bro. This is what I meant by mental breakdown.
Give me a second.
I exaggerated the 3 part.
Okay, thank you.
You're
लोग
welcome.
खाना है ना ऊपर?
नहीं है तू.
हाँ
गाने-
चल जाके पूछो फिर खाना.
Listen, I have coordinate. Coordinate geometry is actually fun.
अच्छा okay.
Coordinate is fun.
Check कर लो
I
फिर
have
खाना है क्या?
trigonometry 1,
You're in
quadratic,
disaster.
Now you see.
logarithms
दरवाजा
and
बंद करो जाओ.
exponentials, differentiation,
दरवाजा
trigonometry
बंद करो
2,
जाओ.
vectors, matrices. Actually, both
Okay,
of them have-
yeah. What were you guys saying?
And integrations. I basically failed like what
Integration is
90% of whatever. the
Oh,
teacher
you
said.
guys, you have maths? Yeah. That'll be a part of it as well. I don't have
Listen,
maths.
I
Wait, you
basically-
guys don't have like third language?
I basically like
Oh no,
failed
this
in
For
is
like
college? No.
9 out of 10 of the subjects they're teaching at this point.
Yeah, they're definitely. I don't have this thing like math because I'm doing a diploma, so they're just teaching me applied computer science.
Oh,
But-
so you're
But it's
Less.
like, bro, I have like 10 assignments a week, bro. Like what the
Assignments.
and
I
then
mean, yeah, you
bro,
idiot.
the
You're
first week,
cramming.
the first
Bruh,
week, right?
You're going from like 3 years to a 2-year diploma. Of course they're gonna cram
Okay,
a lot of shit
wait,
in you.
JD, let me speak. So, I had 10 assignments this week, and they're increasing it to about 15. And
Why?
the assignments they're increasing to are workshops. Okay, so these workshops take like a whole ass week with the team. Okay, so now I freaking grinded my ass 1 week for a pseudocode, which I had to write with my team. Okay,
Uh-huh.
Who's your team?
Yeah.
and I did most of
Which one
the work, and then after that, everyone was like, okay, fine, okay. They made me do the work, but they at least said like thank you for blah blah blah. So I felt really good, but then like there
Yeah,
are
but
3
you
other
did-
workshops now.
No,
There
no,
are 3
hold
other
up.
workshops.
Abbas, can I say something? That is
Go
the
on.
first sign of weakness. Alright? Never back down.
What?
Never. Always split the work equally. Like,
Listen. You see, no one has a coding background over there. Literally no one. Okay.
same. That forces everyone to learn something.
Yeah,
if you
but
say,
they're
"Oh, I
doing their
haven't
individual
coding
works.
background."
The thing is, we have to do the combined logic together, okay, of a pseudocode. But
Okay.
it's way too hard to explain to each one because they were enrolling on different times. Okay?
There's a guy named Chhatrapati Aukla. Astaghfirullah, I'm dead. No, I am dead.
Nah,
He's
bro.
a teacher.
Chunon
as well.
Chan is better.
No, Chunon-chan is not there. I'm sad.
Junior chat.
There's a guy named Chin Ho Ao, bro.
Okay,
That's
wait, guys,
Abbas.
I'm on stream.
Abbas,
I'm
let
gonna
me.
leave.
Okay, so
You're on
even
okay.
if you're like the smartest person, just do your best and try. If you can split the work equally, it'll basically, it's
JD.
not only beneficial for you, it's also
JD.
beneficial for them.
JD, listen. That is so fucking obvious. Everyone obviously wants to split the work. No one wants to do it on their own. Even
Bruh, okay,
they know.
if they
Even they
can't do
know.
it,
Shit, bro.
if they can't do it, act dumb, bro. If they can't do it, just act dumb and says, "Oh, even I barely have anything in
Oh,
coding."
that must
I
be
have-
nice until you have
And
a
then you
deadline
get
the
no
next
marks. Like what?
day.
Are you dumb?
Like, what do you think?
But
You just start dumb and then get no
Bruh,
grades.
if
Like
all
what?
of them, dude, I'm just going off what you said. They don't know shit.
Yeah, that doesn't mean you just like fucking not do it, right?
Bro,
And get, like,
the
zero.
group
as in,
marks.
like, you
we get
also
group
say you
marks.
barely know shit. That forces everyone to cram, basically.
Listen. We had a guy who joined 1 day before the deadline of the workshop. Okay, I'm not fucking teaching him
Are you
the
fucking
whole
with me?
combined logic in 1 day. Okay, I'm not. I'm
Hey,
just
yo,
not
I'm
doing
not, okay, I'm keeping my mouth shut now. See,
Okay.
it is this exact reason why I always ask my teachers, "Sir, is group optional?" And then I go do shit solo. Because there's only one person in this world you trust, and that is yourself.
You have 2 works. So basically, you work as a team, and then you have individual workshops as well.
You got a Python program as a college assignment?
No. I'm just making it because I have time to code.
Okay.
You're doing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript just like as a side thing. It's not based off your course.
Nothing is based off my course right now. What am I doing?
What language are
It
you
is.
are you using in uni?
C. I already know C, so I'm just doing Python on my own.
I swear
Do
to
you,
God.
do you use Spanish in your stream? What? Excuse me?
What are you doing on Python right now?
I'm
I'm
making a program.
Anish, you're literally gonna do. Oh my God.
What?
Are you trying to Xcode? Like, get him to help you through your
Xcode?
shit?
Bro, what?
I'm literally done with the semester. Like, what are you talking about?
Oh wait, yeah, my bad. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'll put your stream in the background just for like lurking purpose.
And I'll
What
put
are you
your
doing
stream in
on
the
Python?
background because I can
I'm making.
criticize
Oh my
you.
God! Can someone stop speaking?
I know, right?
I am writing a program which I got from my college assignment, which I completed. So I'm using the logic to write the program. That's it.
Explain to us what is the logic?
So the logic is like, okay, you have a basketball shootout happening, and they accept the challenge and they roll a die. Okay, first they roll a die. Whoever gets the lowest goes first. Okay, and if there's a tie, you roll again. Okay, and then the current player goes first and takes 3 shots. Okay, and then you have to count the amount of baskets, and then we have like both players doing 3 shots each, and after that whoever wins the shootout, we have to count the amount of ties and be like, okay, you get this amount of coffee. Wait, okay.
As a prize.
As a prize, yeah. So the amount of baskets you hit, you get the coffee. Okay. So if you
Okay.
hit three baskets, even though you like, even the guy if he like hit 2, you still get 3 coffees depending on your score. Okay. But if there
Understood.
are more ties, if there is like more than 0 ties, which is if there is no tie, there is a tie. Okay, wait, I'm explaining wrong. Okay, so if
No,
there,
no,
there is
no,
no
no.
tie,
You got
there
it.
is a
No,
tie.
no.
If there
Shut up. Asrit,
if there is
shut up.
more than
Asrit,
0
no,
ties,
You got it. You got it. You got it.
if there
You got it.
is more than 0 ties, then the amount of ties will halve the amount of coffees, which you get as a prize.
Oh, okay.
So, all this is based
That's
on
no okay.
probability.
Okay. 2 questions. How are you receiving the input of the basketball players?
I'm probably gonna receive it through this thing, input. No. I'm doing it like a score system. I'm not doing like how am I gonna receive it like as a game.
So
I'm doing
no,
like a score
As in
system.
like so basketball scores are there, right? So
Yeah.
when the first player, so how are you're just not doing like a
I'm doing
type
like a
the
score
number.
system. Yeah. So if
No,
there's
You're just
score,
typing it? Like
Is it based on probability or like?
No, it's mostly
No,
based.
no.
Okay, so hold up. I need to ask. So, let's say, do you already have a set amount of scores, or do you randomly generate the scores and then input it?
No. I have like it's gonna be like, okay, we're in a game, and the students, and there's a score system. Okay, I'm making the score system which like counts like basically tells how much coffee they need, how much they're gonna get as a prize.
Okay.
So
For that,
basically
you
they're gonna
need
put like an
the
input
score of
every time.
each, the amount of ties. Two data you need: score and the amount of ties, and maybe the total number of players. If you want to divide that, or divide the coffee per each player.
Yeah.
3 input. Like basically, you need 3 data.
Yeah. So the guy who is counting the score will input the data, and then we will
Okay.
calculate.
So
accordingly.
basically, it's a part of a group project.
Yeah, this is a group project.
Okay, it's a group project and you're only doing the score calculation part, which honestly this looks like a 11th grade project to me.
Oh no, trust me, this is not a 11th grade project because we're making pseudocode, flowchart, and a presentation on it. So
Now that turns into a college project, which I would honestly be bored to hell because I'm not actually doing it practically. I'm just doing more
oh no,
theory.
we're not
Because-
supposed to code.
no,
we're
no.
not supposed to code. We're just writing pseudocode.
Yeah, exactly. That's what pisses me off the most.
Yeah.
That's you've never said code. You've only said pseudocode, algorithm, flowcharts, and
Yep,
you said
yep.
something else, right?
Presentation.
One more thing. Presentation, yeah. That's the one thing. If you're learning a practical subject, you're supposed to be implementing it practically. But you can't implement that specific thing practically because you need to input it in a game. But via your logic, via the logic itself, this is pretty easy. Especially your part. You're gathering
no,
3
this
data.
This is the total part, not my part.
No, I'm talking about your part solely. Your part solely is logic wise, you can just like sit down on a piece of paper, write it. Not that hard. It wasn't that hard for you, right?
Yeah, it was easy.
Yeah, exactly. But then probably collaborating with everyone else, that was the hard
Bro,
part.
I would have taken like 20 minutes to write this code and freaking make everything.
Exactly. Exactly. It would be very easy.
The fuck are we doing again?
I don't know. Okay,
Alright,
I'm
yeah.
gonna leave the call and probably gonna continue coding with myself.
You leave the call. I'm stop watching this. Just keep doing in the background.
I'm just
Abbas, I'll be there in the
calm.
stream chat if you need me. I'll be there in the stream chat.
Okay. Alright. See ya.
Alright, see you.
Bye.
Good luck with that.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Why do we have no one on stream today? That's weird. Is the stream chat working? Everything's working or not? It says 2 viewers here, but the thing over there is just like, yes, you have 0 viewers. Do we... I'm assuming I'll just count the amount die, because like... Okay, we gotta include random as well. Oh man, I'm so dumb. I forgot the syntax for including. Give me a second. Okay, from import, right? Something like... Oh yeah, it's import, never mind. It's not include. Almost forgot. There we go. Okay, import random. And then we'll use the random function. Actually, we'll just open now. We have a random module. Let's make a list of what do we need right here. Mom is calling me. Give me a second. Lama who disliked the stream. Someone disliked the stream. I'll just text my mom. My mom is not the one to listen. Let's make a list here of die and what do we name it? Wait, hold on. Call it die choices. We'll call it something normal. Let's call it die score or something. And then we'll name the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll name the list like this. we need this to give us a random output and print it. Okay, so returns the current internal state of the random generator. Initialize the random number generator. Okay, if I go here, this generator can be based on the seed value. So if the seed value is, you will always get as the first random number. That is weird. Kind of weird ass shit is that. Okay, we don't want to use that obviously. We'll go to I think we could. What is this? What is this weird things? We need a random range. We'll make a range actually. We don't need a list to be honest. But we need returns a random range from the given sequence. Okay. Choice. Okay. Okay, this is good enough. Yeah, we can use the list. Alright. Let's take this and then let's write a code for taking the input as die score. We name this as print random die score. Let's actually take that in a value as well. Let's take it in a value called call it die output or something. Let's call it die out, and then we'll say die out equal to what do you say? We'll call it random dot choice. There we go. And then we'll name the sequence die score. There we go. Then it should print out die out. There we go. Hopefully this works. Actually, let me run this somewhere here. Let's check it out. Let's call it the function die. We'll put die score in comma. Ooh, this is a hard one. Okay, wait, I forgot completely. We needed to store in a value as well, right? So we need to declare a variable. Let's call it A. We need a new line. Am I dumb or am I dumb? Choice die score, use random range. Rand range? Give me a second, guys. I'll just read your comments through my. You streaming in 480p? I don't know, man. I didn't see that. It's on auto. It's like yeah. We need the range, right? I completely forgot. This is not alright. Give me a second. Rand range. Okay, we'll use rand range then. Let's check it out first. Random rand is. Is this what it is? Okay, so we'll go to, because we need a start, so I think we need 1,6. Do we give that? We don't need to give die score now. We just need. Actually, we don't even need anything. Let's call the function and let's say die. I think it will return the value, correct? Bro, I started coding in C and then I just forgot how to. What is this supposed to be? Die out. Let's remove this. I just called the function. Where is this coming from? I don't understand. Where is this code coming from? Is it just telling me the version of random or something? It's a little weird. I did one program and I completely forgot how to do things. Wait, hold on. This was an old program. I just thought I needed. So we need to. Do we just print out? No, we don't need print. We needed to return as well. I did work with this before, but I just keep forgetting. Let's actually restart. Oh yeah, it is printing something like related to it. Oh wait, now I get it. I'm a dumbass. Wait, let me just. I'm so dumb. Yep, there we go. Finally, he is not defined. At least it said something. God, that's super annoying. Equal to 0. Oh yeah, this is a string. Does it just print out? Wait, hold on. Oh my god, I need to stop pressing insert by mistake. Print A. Why is it showing 0? What the fuck? There are 2 stops here as well. No wonder I was so confused. Okay, we'll write a program to remove this and we'll say die we'll first take we'll just make a random one, random range. If we'll call it out, let's say we'll tell it to return something, right? So we'll just go die score. It's just declare a variable saying what we call it, die equal to. Bro, I'm having a hard time just deciding what I'm supposed to like name the variable. Okay, let's say die output, and then we'll save the outside over here 0,7 I think, and then we'll say return die out. Okay, if you run this, nothing really happens because we didn't even do anything. So we got the idea. You know what to do now. Okay, let's keep running this and checking if it will give any other outputs. We don't want 0 there, so we're gonna put this to 1. Let's run this again. We can't have 7, right? So there's no way we can have 7. Okay, let's store that variable into something called die o equal to die I. Now if you print die o, it should show the same thing, correct? Okay, so now that we have that, we can actually go ahead and remove this from here. We'll make a while loop. We'll say while true. That's alright. I'm just gonna look at the pseudocode for a while and just decide what to do. I think if we make I have 2 dislikes for some reason. Who's disliking, bro? Like, what's wrong with you? Like how I have 2 dislikes. Okay, we'll go while true and then we will say die. We'll call. Okay, first step we have to check if they're calling. Okay, so we gotta be like print die-o. There it is. And then we'll say if die. Oh, we need scores for 2 dies. Okay, so we need like, we'll call this die battle for no reason why. And then we'll say we'll have die out 1, and then we'll have the same code with die out 2. We're having a die battle, so that means we are returning 2 values. Let's just return it as a tuple because I don't want die out 1, comma die out 2. Okay, so now that we have print die-o, it's gonna give us 2 values. Okay, wait, never mind. Oh my dumbass. Battle. Okay, so if we run this, oh my god, it's running so many times. Okay, this is a bit problematic. I forgot that while true runs. Okay, so let me just print this outside of the loop. It should run it 1 time. is the problem we have? Oh, we don't have anything here, so it's just gonna be like if dio zero less than dio one, then we'll call, what do we say? Let's call variables out already. We'll say student 1 is A, right? Okay, let's just say this to print this, print hello, and then we'll say else print by. Okay, let's see what this works as. Okay, hold on. Stop. Oh my god. What is this? Is he winning all the times, bro? What? There's something wrong, definitely. How much code did it print out? Holy shit. Okay, so that is so stupid. The hell? We'll put like a break over here because I don't wanna even try break. Then we'll put a break here as well. Okay, let's run this. 3,5 hello. 3,5. We'll run this again. Bye. Okay, it works. It works, alright. It works. Okay. So what the fuck? Oh my god. This shit is so wild. Okay, let's declare a variable here saying a equal to what do we say? Call player 1 equal to, let's say, student 1 as a string for now. If die is okay, the student 1 goes first if the first is lower. Player 2 equal to student 2. Okay, else we'll have them saying player 1 equal to, we'll copy this, and then we'll say player 2 equal to student 1. Okay, so now that we have player 1 and player 2 over here decided, I think it's time for us to decide how we do the rest of the code. Okay, what if we put decide player 1 over here, and we let that decide our player 1 and player 2 as well. So this will take the output, which is die. Oh, let's copy and paste this. Let's cut and paste this here. Okay, we're gonna have a hard time here. Die. No, not 0. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so now that we have this, we'll let it decide. Okay, so what we're gonna be like, if we'll put the same code here, remove this from here, let's make our main code look very good. So we'll have this. don't want to break anymore. We're not in a loop, so remove this, remove that. And then we'll print player 1 on both sides. Okay, just so we know who the player 1 is really. Okay, if I just run what do we run this time? Print. No, let's not print. Oh yeah, we need it to return, not print it out. We don't need that, all fancy things. Oh wait, why do we even need to like just remove all these, and in this other line we could just type here return player 1. Oh wait, sorry, my bad. So return player 1, and now once that's done, let's say print decide player, then we'll call it dio. Alright, that seems alright. Okay, we need to stop the program. We have a lot of student ones over here. Let's break the loop after. Okay, we do have 2 outputs. Okay, so we have student 1 and student 2. And now that we have decided what we have to go for, let's run this only once. You know what? Just call it some random. Why don't we make this for shots less than 6? Would it be a bad idea if it was a loop? I assume it would be. I don't think we need loops in this. We just need to call the function twice and then run it. So okay, now that we have like players assigned according to their die scores, we need to go for the next function to check if it's a tie or not. Def die tie, and then we'll take the die out as well. And if it's a tie, we'll let them run again, you know what I mean? So if dio 1 is equal to dio 0, then we'll have it run saying print. We'll first say print it's die, it's a tie. Why did I say die? And then we'll have it say we'll call the function again, right? We return false actually. Return true. Else return false. Okay. So now that we have it returning false and true, we can basically just decide what we have to do with that. If it's a tie, then the program will not continue and it will like make you run it again. Hey, yo, listening. Oi. Shut up, mate. You free tomorrow? I probably won't be. I have to work on my workshops and everything. Like, what are we doing like tomorrow? If we even be free. Decide something and tell me. If I'm in, I'll tell you. If I'm not free, then I'm out. Gonna go out with the boys. If fine, just let me know the timings and I'll just tell you guys when I'm free, okay? Just text me on Instagram about it. QBC for the most part. Oh, we're bowling. Okay, fine. Just let me know. Okay. I wonder if there's someone from my college, anyone like really watching, just turning this into pseudocode, into a program. Okay, now that we have this, we have a tie decider. We have a decider for who's gonna go first, and then we have a die battle. Okay, so which will decide our output. So really we need to only run these two because we're just not gonna be bothered by the other things. Okay, so now the student 1 is going. We actually don't even need, like, I'm just using this because of we don't even need to take it, but okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be like, okay, we need a function for taking a shot, right? So shot taken. Let's make a basket comment. It's just one thing if they make like a basket and then we're like, yes, let's go, woo, like some shit like that. So we're gonna make it, yes, let's go. And then we're gonna have one more. What do we say in this? We're like, good shit. And then we'll have it say, woo. You score. We cannot have he. It's gender assumption. So we gotta we gotta switch it up. Woo. Nice shot. Alright. Okay, these are basket compliments. Same with basket compliments. And we have it. We have one saying basket. What do you call it? What is the opposite of the compliment? Discourage. Basket discourage, yes. Okay, fine. We'll take this. We say basket discourage meaning as what we call basket discourage. I forgot. Okay, we'll just be like, Your ass cheeks. You're just bad. Stop. Please stop. Just you're losing. Nah, we can't put you're losing. Imagine like he misses the last shot, but the other guy just scored one. So we gotta be like, damn. That's some display of skill I don't want to see. It's pretty long, but still an insult counts as one. Okay, so now that we have shot, call this function taking shot. We'll make another for taking shot. And then we'll call it, what do we call it actually? I don't know, what do we call it? I'm just you know, like we'll have this return player to I shouldn't put it like that. We'll have them return two things. Okay, so do we add a bias as well? Like biasing or some shit? We'll just add it. Just as a biasing or some shit. Oh, we could just call this on top while I'm doing it in the middle of the program. I don't like that. It's pissing me off. We have that, we can decide what to go for next. We need someone to take a shot and we'll count shots as well. So now we have to decide the current player as well. Okay, fine, we need to move our players around. So if 3 shots are over, then we need to like have it to switch players, you know? That'll be nice. So if shots no we should take the amount of shots here, so it'll be like shots, but we need to run it in a loop. That's the thing. Amazing man, you're a genius. Nah, not a genius. I just know how to program. That's it. I wish I was a genius. I wish. That would be nice. Actually, we'll have the shots decided by taking shot. I'm so stressed right now. Okay, wait. We need to think, Abbas. Think what do you need to do next. Okay, let's just look into this. Okay, let's assign. We need to assign a player first, right? So we gotta be like, okay, fine. This is the so and so player, and it'll go first. So that obviously will be player 1, no matter what. We decided player 1 over here, but we need to have toggle player. Let's just call this and be like, actually. We'll say like user not user or some shit. It's pissing me off. But we needed to print out a player if it's like that. So we'll call this toggle player only. Okay, so it's a player then equal to. Actually, I have made something like this before. Wait, let me just use that as an example because I don't really remember my things. Where is it? No, these are all my websites. Where is my? Is this the one? Okay, I think this is the one. Hopefully, I think so. Yep, this is the one. And let's have this thing back. Okay, so now that we have this, I just want to check how we toggled users last time. I remember, I remember like the user being true, and at the end of this, we ended up changing user every time. We'll actually have two loops, one for deciding, one for shooting, and the second for our winning decider and what prize they will get. So we'll have, where is it? We'll have a loop like this, but we'll call it, let's remove this for now. We don't need to decide player one, right? Actually, we do need to, so we'll just call this out as saying, okay, we need that. Player one, player equal to true. Okay, so we'll change this code to something more that makes sense. All right. So we want player one to go for. Player one will be let's call player one to, and then we'll say, okay, player one's going anyway, right? Like we'll have the first player going anyway, and we'll have it assign values like this is actually very hard to decide how I will do this. Once I have a program in my head, I'll probably be able to easily code it down. So if we call this out as, hey, if player one equal to player one equal to true, then we'll have, okay, we need it equal to true, not equal to true. You cannot assign values in a if statement. If player one equal to true, then w player equal to we won't really be using this later on unless we want to know who's going. We're gonna have this as student this is a very this is a pain in the ass already. So if we have if player one equal to true, then student 1 is going first. We'll have a function for where is our current user? My brain! Oh my god! It's pissing me off! Okay, we're definitely not toggling after each 6 shots. So let me use my logic a little. So let me get a book real quick. Because my brain is just losing itself. Hold on. So I don't want to think, I want to be able to write it down what I'm thinking. Okay, I got a paper here, and then I need to write down what we need to do. Okay, the user will toggle after every 3 shots. No, we want the program to stop after this thing. So we'll say decide player 1. Okay, so if player 1, and then we'll say okay, player 1 equal to true, and then we'll say return remove this from here. Statement if shots less than 3, come Jackbox. No, I'm not gonna shooting. I mean, both users will be doing the same thing, right? They'll be taking a shot. So call this shots. What do we say? Define shooting, which will be my brain hurts. Okay, so shooting. Okay, wanted to shoot, we want to shoot. Okay, let's say we have to decide as well. So if basket. No, we're doing something wrong here. I'm definitely missing something, but I don't know what I'm missing. This stream is gonna be half like, what are we doing? Okay, let me open my flowchart real quick. I think I have my flowchart in downloads. Okay, I must stop. Just I don't want to draw. Please stop. I don't want to draw. There we go. Starts, challenge starts. Okay, students roll die is equal to B. We already have die over here. Let's put this above because I don't want to put this in the middle. Take die over here. We're already done with these two functions. We just need to decide what we do next. Why is it? Because you can only use this. So boring. Students roll die is equal to B. Yeah, we did that. We have the player decider. Yeah, we can have this. Yeah, this is true. This is true. I don't need to use this. Then we'll just decide it here. What's we'll have a die. We have a die battle over here, right? So we need to write a function for who goes first. Def decide player 1. We'll decide about toggling later on. We just need a little mindset of what we're doing. So we'll just code down everything and then we'll decide how to toggle users. That's something I decided last time as well. Then I'll finish at the end. So we have decide player 1. To be honest, I feel a little okay if we'll take die output over here. Okay, and then we'll say if dio if dio 0, so less than dio 1, then we'll have it, what do you say, we'll say player 1 will be equal to student 1, else player Okay, so what we said here was if die O is less than die O1 and die is equal to false, which means it's not a tie. We're just making sure that we don't get the tie in as well. So, because we want the die tie to run it again, right? If it's ever gonna do it. If die O0 less than die O1, player, I need to write an LF because LF will use the same thing. Okay, we have decided our player, and then let's make a for loop for Stop it. Return player 1. Actually, let's have both of them return. Okay, that we have this done, we can just go ahead, and now that we decided our players, depending on our output, we can use player 1 and player 2 to shoot now. Shots are less than 3. We're making him take shots now. input of decide player. Actually having a hard time. Okay, we'll decide everything later on. Player 1 equal to shots are less than 3. Player 1. Player 1, what does he do? We need a random generator. Do we just randomize it or do we say, let's take an input actually. Shot 1. Equal to no wait, shot 1 equal to input, then we'll have did 1 first shot. So we make them decide. Okay. If shot equal to W, then we will say that, hey, basket complement, we'll use print random dot choice, and then I'll put the sequence as, which sequence do we put? Basket complement. There we go. Else we'll have it print basket disk, oh wait, print random choice, then we'll make it basket discourage. Okay, so he did not score a basket, so we want him to no defeat. I'm very evil. Okay, then we'll have shots plus 1. Then after this finishes, while shots less than 6. Ouch, my back hurts. We'll have it. think I'm getting a clearer and clearer idea as I'm coding, and we don't really need to think much about it. Copy paste. Okay, so now that we have this decided, okay, so now that we have this decided, we need to decide the tie. Then what tie do we decide? How we'll need to take the output of these things. Oh, we need to count the baskets as well, I forgot. Okay, so we have this. Alright, we have this shot counter as well. So we have a shooting tie. We need to decide what we do with this. It will check if player, I mean basket 1 is equal to basket 2, then we'll have it decide what print it's a tie else okay. Now that we have a shooting tie function as well, and we have a shot decider as well, tie count. Okay, we need to declare variables. We need to remember that I did all this without declaring variables till now. Then we don't have. We have to reset shorts, right? So if you're running this again, we need shorts equal to 0, obviously. Now that I have this, okay. We need a calculation. Price calculation. We need a winner decider first. Decide a winner. If basket 1 greater than basket 2, then we'll have it declare the winner equal to player 1. Oh my god. Else no. Elif basket 2 greater than basket 1, then winner equal to 2. Okay. And then we have the winner decider finished. Then we need to define winner price. We'll say coffee I have to calculate the price, right? If amount of ties greater than 0, then if amount of ties equal to, then we'll have it coffees equal to we don't really need to run another function. I don't want to make another function, so we'll just make this the price calculator as well. So I really don't want to have many functions run at the same time. So now we have coffee is equal to minus 0.5 into amount of ties, else actually now that I think about it, I do need another function for calculating, because we need to have this as well. We'll have it decide like if it has 0 coffees or not. So we'll have this run and we'll just say the amount of ties. नहीं है? हाँ? नहीं अभी नहीं खाया, वो टोस्ट कर लेके ब्रेड खाया किसान जाम के साथ. Okay, amount of ties percentage to 0. Okay. How do we make this work? is so annoying. Coffee is equal to. I think I will finish the stream after I finish all the functions. I don't really want What I want this to enter. Coffee is equal to winner. Winner score. If we check that, then we should have coffee is equal to coffee. I mean, minus. I think I really don't wanna. Now we have that running, we need to check if. Now that we have finished it, we just need to save all this. Stop. done, guys. I think we're done over here. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video, where we actually assemble all the program together and finally execute it. So we'll do that in another stream. So see you guys tomorrow or whenever I stream next. Thank you for watching. See y'all. Love you. Bye.